Glurp, 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 glurp. Whoop! Oh, yeah. Rusted. Yeah. Bleeding the system. Get some water in the front. I'm back. I'm deleting videos from 4 months ago. I got an 8 gigabyte chip. Well, I hooked up the motor after I disconnected it and took the coupler off the shaft, and it still popped the breaker. Why? Because I had it wired up to something I shouldn't have. I'm stupid. I've never done such bad wiring, but... So, I wrecked this coupler, but it was worn out anyways. And somewhere I had a couple of new ones, and I can only find one of them. So I got a cheap replacement. It doesn't have the extra bushing on the springs because they eventually wear right through. But somewhere around here, Armstrong, genuine parts, cheap quality, date code 1203. Somewhere, extra volute. Somewhere I have 2 more brand new ones, Bell & Gossett's, in the package. Packaged just like that. So I'm going to put this back together, bolt her all back up, and then connect the wires and crank her up. How are we doing here? 2 elements. Got heat. Yep. 64 Celsius. 150 Fahrenheit, 145. Alright, pouring rain outside. And I mean pouring, sideways rain, wind, cold. Listen. It's coming off the roof. No water in here, this is from the boiler. But we have a bit of water on the other side. I never got to dig a sump pit, so got water. Got my dehumidifier running. See you in a bit. Jumping. Whoops! I got grease on my fingers from so much oil on the motor and the pump. Everything's nice and tight. Can't over tighten it. It's only a stamped steel housing that's stamped and threaded. So see what happens. Oh, look at that. Sweet. Turn this off. Elements will overheat. Nobody could ever accuse me of doing fancy electrical work. I just get her done. They said we had 100-mile-an-hour winds over here in Mount Mansfield. 102-mile-per-hour winds, rain changing to snow. Yuck. 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 Snow is nice to look at out your window or on a video camera someone else has got to deal with. I'm not doing a permanent job here because I'm getting a zone controller that I bought off eBay. Takeo, so I can run my 2 pumps off 2 thermostats. Alright, crank her up. Safety switch. Keep zapping that baby. There goes the pump. Now I have 2 pumps. A little noisy. That's why you get that. There. Now I can isolate my zones. One there. And one there. Separate my 2 zones, because they used to be all one, but I made them separate. And this thing didn't like that. Oh, extra elements on. Everything else is open. See, the hot water exits the electric boiler over here. Goes around. Hot water. I got a valve here to isolate the cold side return from the hot. Runs through the old cast iron boiler, which is now just a big heater. Goes this way, goes that way, goes through my flow control, and then one goes there and one goes there. Front apartment, back apartment. And with 13 seconds left to go, I just open that up. I can close that and force more water through with this. Get the air out. Purge. Thanks for looking.